Hey guys, welcome back to bass lessons. So in today's video we'll be looking on praise bass lines. Okay, I'll be giving you this very nice bass line you can apply to your local groove or any simple praise. Okay, so if you're interested, I recommend you watch the video to the end so that I'll show you how and when to apply them. Okay, I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So let's look at the first bass line and let me show you how you can play them and apply them to any song. Okay. So let me show you how to play this. 6 2 5 5 5 1. Okay, so from 1 to your 5. 5, then back to your 1. So you play 1 3 4 5. That is from 1 to your 5. 1 3 4 5, then back to your 1 7 1. You understand? Okay, so as you're playing this kind of groove, you should follow the rhythm, the kick, make the groove go smooth just like this. Okay, so 1 3 4 5 7 1. But if in case you're using a 4 string, 1 3 4 5 7 1 to your 6, you play your 7 flat and your 6, that is dollar. But if you're using a 5 string and you don't want to go here, 7 1, then you can play 1 3 4 5 7 1, then you play 3 6. If you're using the 5 string, okay, dun 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 mi la. But if you're using the 4 string, 1 3 4 5 7 1, then you play do la. So now you're going to your 2 5 and 1. Okay, so do la, then you play d re la, d re. Then as normal to your 5 3 4 5 1 5 6 1. I hope you got that. Okay, so do mi fa so ti do do la di re mi fa so do la do. Then you come back to your do on the root, so do so la do mi fa so. You understand? Da ra da ra 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 da ra 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 da ra 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 da ra. You see, so that you come back to the root at the best time. Okay, so anytime you're playing this kind of groove, you see I was plucking on this area. You can decide to pluck here, but I was playing in here. When I'm playing this kind of bass line and I'm plucking it at this area, I feel comfortable. But when you're playing it here, it depends on you plucking on the way you want to pluck. But for me, play it at this area. Okay, remember that we have 3 areas where to pluck: here, here, here. Okay, so I played at the front. Okay, so dun 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 dun. So you can use this as an exercise. Okay, then D re mi fa so ti do so la do. Then the so la do I plucked. I didn't play like this. I do it so. You pluck on so, hammer on la. Okay, so la, then you pluck on do, so la do, so do, then you continue. Okay, and the other way around, da ra da da ra ra. You understand? So do. Now I won't be going to the so. You understand? You can decide to go to the so, do, so do, la, or you can decide to go to the fa. So it is 2 ways on the first groove. So do mi fa, You understand? Then re, mi. So if you go to do and fa, you play mi. Do, mi, fa, re, mi, do, la. The first one, do, mi, fa, so, do, la. The second, do, mi, fa, re, mi, do, la. Or do, mi, fa, re, mi, do, la. That is to the 5th string if you want to play your la on your 5th string. So do, mi, fa, re, mi, do, la. Da 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 da. You understand? So let's say we are ending dan do fi fa. So this you are going to your 1 and 4. So do fi fa. So remember that in any praise, if you are going from a 1 to 4, you can do do mi fa, or you can do do fi fa. That is 1, your 5 flat, and your 4, or 1 3 4. You understand? Okay, do fi fa, then to your re mi do la, then di re mi fa so do. Okay, another way you can go from a 2 to a 5 is do fi fa. That is 2 3 7 flat 6, then your D re as normal, and your 5 flat and your 5. That is fi so ti do so la do. Okay, so da 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 da. Sorry, da 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 fi so ti do so la do, so do fi fa re mi, 7 flat 6. Then that is 1 sharp 2 fi so, 5 flat 5. You understand? And your ti do so la do fi fa. You understand? So you learn the both of them together. Da ra da ra 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 da ra da ra da da ra ra ra. Second one. Da ra da ra 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 da ra 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 da ra 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 da da ra da da ra da 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 ra da 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 da. So la do fi fa re mi do la di re mi fa so do. You understand? Okay, so now let's look at the second one. Okay, so with this kind of bass line, you're not to be playing all the tune to all the progression. You understand? So when you practice the first one we learned and you master it very well, then you can bring in some of this to the groove. Okay, I just wanted to show you this. Okay, so so 1 2 1 6. Okay, 1 5 5 5 1 6. You see, so you can bring the first one do mi fa so ti do 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 do. You understand? So let me teach you. Do, then your 5. You're descending from your 6 to your 5. So 6 flat 5. That is la si so. Then descend from your 2 to your 1. You have 2 flats 1. 2 flats 1. Then now you'll be going to your 6. You understand? I hope you're getting it. So da 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 da. You understand? Do la si so re di do ti do la. Then to your 2. Then how you played your 5 fi so ti do so la do. You understand? Okay, I hope you're getting the concept. So you bring in the first one. Da 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 da. Then you can bring in that 3 notes on your 6. You just have to take time and arrange it very well, or master it. When it comes to your mind, then you can be playing it in your own local song. You understand? So you understand? So da 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 6. So what I played there was 1, then to my 2, 3, 3 flat 2. Then I played dun, dun, dun. I played 6, 4, 3, but you can play 5, 4, 3. You understand? So dun, 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 dun. You understand? Or you understand? It depends the way you want to play it. Okay. Dun, then to your 6. Then I play 7, 7 flats and your 6. Then to your 2 and to your 5. You understand? So the root notes on where you be playing that, you just count 3 notes, 1, 2, 3. Then you be starting from there and descend on that root note. Okay. Then you understand? Okay. Da da do mi mo re la fa mi, or do mi mo re so fa mi. Then ti do la, then mo mi re. You understand? Da 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 da. You understand? Okay. So now the first one and this one we just learned. Master the 2 of them, combine them together, and you can play a simple prayer just like this. You understand? Okay, so the da 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 da. Practice them very well and apply them in the first one. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.